me today on Miss Phillips Camp Kindergarten. Today we're going to be reviewing and learning more about more, less, and the same, or greater than, less than, and equal to. All right, I have two 10 frames here. And inside my 10 frames, I'm going to put some of my yellow magnets, okay? So in this one, I'm going to put 4 circles. 3, 4. And then I'm going to write my number 4. The kindergarten way. On this side, I'm going to put 5 circles. 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to write the number 5. Now, I might already know that 5 is a greater number than 4. I might have already learned that. But if I'm not sure, all I have to do is look at my 10 frame to see which one has more circles in the squares. And I can tell by looking that this side has more circles than this side. So that means 5 is greater than 4 or has more than 4. So that's my greater than sign. Remember, the opening is facing the bigger number. Remember I showed you the crocodile mouth? I'm drawing giant teeth. Okay, so it's going to want to eat the bigger number. So this means 5 is greater than 4. All right, let's try again with some different numbers. Okay, just going to quickly erase this. All right, so now we're going to put 6 circles in the first 10 frame. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to write the number 6. Then in this 10 frame, I'm going to put 4 dots. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to write the number 4. Okay? So which number is greater than the other number? Which one is the bigger number? Well, I know by looking up here, it looks like there's 6 dots here. There's more dots in this 10 frame than there are over here, which means this is the greater number or the bigger number, okay? We have more dots than we do over here. So that means I'm going to make sure the mouth or the opening of my symbol is facing the bigger number because it's trying to chomp, chomp, chomp that number, okay? So we can read this as 6 is greater than 4, or we can read it as 4 is less than 6, okay? So the pointy part of this shape, this open triangle shape, is pointing at the 4. That's how you know it's less than, okay? It's the smaller number. All right, let's try another one. Take these back. Oops. All right. So over here, I'm going to put 3 dots. 2, 3. And in this 10 frame, I'm going to put 3 dots. Now, do you think this is a greater number than this? Or a smaller number than this, or are they the same? Well, I think they're the same. There are 3 dots over here and 3 dots over here, which means they are the same. So we have 3 and 3. So we know that 3 cannot be greater than 3. 3 cannot be less than 3. They're the same number. So we're going to write an equal symbol in between because this means 3 is equal to 3. Okay, it's kind of fun when those come up, the equal to symbol. Let's try one more to see which one has more and which one has less. All right, in my first 10 frame, I'm going to put, let's see if you can count it. Ooh, did you count along with me? Let's touch and count, okay? Remember that strategy of touch and count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I almost filled up my 10 frame. Over here, I'm going to put some dots. Now you count. Did you count? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I filled up a 10 frame. So there are 10 dots in this 10 frame. Okay, so which number is greater? Which one is the bigger number? Which one has more? That's right, 10. So that means I'm going to draw my symbol with the big part that's open facing the bigger number, okay? 10 is greater than 9, or we can read it as 9 is less than 10. Okay, so this was just a quick little math review for you. You can practice this at home by drawing your own 10 frame, and you can use pennies as the dots if you want, and you can even challenge your parents, or they can challenge you to decide which is more, which is less, and or which is the same, or greater than, less than, or equal to. All right, I hope you have some fun with this today.